Hello, I'm Daisy. Welcome to Graphic 3D Printing Workshop. Today, let's see a part of electric product. Its material is ABS, the machining precision of 0.2 millimeter. Because of material property and the machining precision, the workshop must keep a fixed temperature and humidity. At present, this part has processed 22 hours, and after 2 hours, it will be done.
Then coloring, debarring, and doing the finish. For this part, the customer asked to do the painting. The color is matte black. This is our surface treatment workshop. They are doing this part now. All is going down. We will inspect and package them. Finally, send them to our client.
Okay, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Next time, I will bring more interesting products and share with you more stories in the process. This is Griffey. Welcome to inquiring your product. Thank you. Bye-bye.